Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to build a landing page so you can get more leads, which will increase your chance of making more sales. Hey, what's going on, guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about building a landing page. But before I get into that, I just want to take the time to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if you're interested in learning different methods to make money online, then I invite you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload new videos. So with that out of the way, let me talk about landing pages. So what is a landing page? A landing page is a page that a visitor lands on when they click on an ad or a link. The purpose of a landing page is to capture the attention of the visitor and cause them to take action. So when you're creating a landing page, you need to know who your target audience is. Are you targeting men, women? Are you targeting a younger crowd, an older crowd? That's the first thing that you need to keep in mind when you're building a landing page. You need to keep your target audience in mind. Because the way that you address your target audience will determine if you get leads or not. You shouldn't be addressing a younger crowd and an older crowd with the same message because they're going to respond differently. The same thing applies when it comes to men and women. You should be addressing them with a different message because they're going to respond differently. So, along with knowing who you're targeting as far as your audience goes, you should ask yourself a question. What's the reason that they should take action? Do you have an amazing product that's going to change their life? Are you providing a service to them that's going to solve a problem that they're having? You have to have a reason for them to act now. The next thing that I wanted to talk about is to go take a look at your competition. Go see the landing pages that the competition in your niche have and just ask yourself, how can you make your landing pages a little bit better than theirs? What does their landing page look like? And what are they offering for their lead magnet? So your landing page needs to be unique. I'm not saying copy the competition's landing page and use it for your own. Just look at their landing page, for example, especially the people who are making a lot of sales through this landing page. And you need to ask yourself, how can yours be unique and also better? So when you're scouting for your target audience, you need to look at the demographics of your target audience. Are they in their 20s to 30s? Are they in their 30s and up? Are they men, women, or both? You need to find out what their desires, their fears, and their frustrations are. Does your offer provide a solution to their fears and frustrations? Does your offer address their desires? See, this part takes a bit of research before you can have a successful landing page. So once you have this figured out, you have an idea of what you're working with. So when you're creating an effective landing page, there's a few things that you need to keep in mind. So the first thing that I want to talk about is relevance. Is your offer or is your landing page relevant to the niche? Is your message related to your target market? That's something that you should always have in mind when you're creating a landing page. The second thing that I want you guys to keep in mind when you're creating your landing page is identity. Did I spell it right? Identity. So does your landing page have a logo, a business name, contact information, a privacy policy? Because people want to be sure that your landing page isn't going to give their computer viruses. So when you include these details on your landing page, people feel a little bit more reassured that they're not going to get scammed. So the third thing when it comes to creating an effective landing page is usability. Is your landing page appealing to the eye as far as button color? Is it easy to navigate through your landing page? Do you have it set up where it's simple for the person to opt in? Because if people have a hard time navigating through your landing page, they're going to lose interest and they're going to go somewhere else. So the fourth thing when it comes to creating an effective landing page is to have credibility. People are going to want to know, where are you known from? What websites are you associated with? When you show credibility on your landing page, people can feel a little bit reassured that you aren't going to scam them. Because hopefully that's not the reason why you're creating a landing page. And number 5 is social proof. Do you have testimonials on your landing page? Do you have the number of downloads that people have downloaded your ebook? Do you have the number of sales that you made on your landing page? This is something that you should definitely show on your landing page if you have a lot of sales or downloads. If you don't, I would recommend leaving that out. Don't lie to people and say you have 100,000 downloads when you really don't have any. Just be honest on your landing page. So tip number 6 is urgency. You need to give people a sense of urgency. You want to let people know that come to your landing page that this is a limited time offer or you have limited quantity. So if they click away, they might miss out on this opportunity that you're offering to them. So let me talk about what to avoid when you're creating your landing page. If you have 1990s clip art, meaning it looks outdated, people are going to tend to click off your landing page just for this reason, because it looks outdated. They're going to see it and they're going to think you made it like 20 years ago. The second thing to avoid is to have a landing page that looks homemade. Because if you have a landing page that looks like you had your grandpa make it for you, people aren't going to opt in. They're going to click away because it looks unprofessional. The third thing to avoid when you're creating your landing page is to avoid making your landing page too vague. Because if your offer is too vague, people are most likely going to enter in a fake email. The only reason why is just to see what you're offering. So make sure your landing page and what you're offering is direct to the point. You want to let people know exactly what they're going to get when they submit their email to you. The fourth thing that you want to avoid when creating a landing page is having too many CTAs, or this is also known as call to actions. If you have too many buttons or links, you're going to overwhelm your target audience. And you're going to also look desperate. Because people are going to see all these call to actions, all these links or these buttons that you have on your landing page, and it's going to be a red flag to them. They're going to start thinking, why are all these buttons here? And the fifth thing to avoid when creating your landing page is if it's boring. Your landing page cannot be boring. People will not opt in if you're boring them. And the sixth thing to avoid when creating your landing page is poor usability. You want to make sure that your landing page is easy to use, like I stated earlier. If people can't figure out how to use your landing page, how are they going to be able to navigate it and opt in? So with that being said, let me go over some pro tips when it comes to creating your landing page. So the first tip that I have for you is to use proven headlines that work. So it can be a headline, something as simple as, now you can blank. So let me give you guys an illustration real quick. Now you can blank. Depending on what you're offering or what niche you're in. So if you're in the weight loss niche, it can be something like, now you can lose the weight that you want to lose. Or another proven headline that works is, makes it easy. Makes it easy to blank. Makes it easy. This product makes it easy to lose weight. And another one is, discover the secrets of. Discover the secrets of real weight loss. So all of these headlines are proven headlines that work in order to capture the attention of your target audience. So the second tip is to use simple, blunt sentences. So it can be something as simple as, download a free copy today. Just simple and straight to the point. The third tip is to use a fear of missing out language. So it can be something that's going to put urgency into your target audience's mind so that they think if they don't opt in, they're going to miss the opportunity that you're offering to them. So it can be something saying, come see what's already happening. Or something like, subscribe to catch up. So when you use these kind of terminologies, people are going to think to themselves, man, I should take advantage before this opportunity is gone. The fourth tip is to use benefit-filled bullets. For example, so what is the best way to go with this? So if you're talking about losing weight, instead of just saying, learn how to lose weight, you can add on to that by saying, so what? For example, learn how to lose weight so you can live the healthy lifestyle that you want to live. If you apply all of these tips that I just went over into your landing page, then you're definitely going to get more leads into your sales funnel. When it comes to building an actual landing page, you don't have to have this super long page where people are going to have to scroll 1.5 miles to see what you're offering. As a matter of fact, the shorter, the better. You're going to want to keep it simple, because most people who are surfing the web, they have a short attention span. And somebody who comes across your landing page might just click on it out of curiosity, and if they have to go through pages all the way down, they're going to lose interest and they're going to click away. So it's better to have a short landing page where they're going to see everything that they need to see. So they'll see your free offer, they'll see the headline that you have, they'll see where they need to put their email and the button that they need to click on to receive your free offer. Well, that's pretty much all that I have for you guys for this video. I hope you guys take what I said and apply it to your landing page. And I hope you guys get the results that you want to see when it comes to your online business. So if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And let me know in the comments below if you guys learned something new today. And if you guys want my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, where you'll have the option to access training such as how to set up Facebook ads, how to set up YouTube ads, Instagram ads, and other training videos, then you can check out the link in the top of the description. So that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.